Hello students of University of Hull and the Hull University Business School. Let me introduce myself. My name is Martin and I'm a pitch coach. And we're going to be working together very soon on Monday during an online pitching workshop. Now this workshop is 23rd of November, starts at 10 o'clock in the morning and goes through to noon UK time. Now our goal in this workshop working together is to give you guys some pitching skills, insights, strategies and opportunities to practice before your group oral presentation assessment coming up very soon. So I want to introduce to you in this workshop the 3-beat mountain, which is a pitch structure I've developed to help deliver a fantastic elevator pitch, which has a clear message, grabs attention, is concise, and has a fantastic call to action so your audience knows what to do. We also want to talk about how to present in the reality of 2020 and beyond. We're in a post-COVID situation. Online pitching, meetings and presentations are everywhere now, and we need to avoid common mistakes, and I want to share with you how you can be really effective. And finally, in the second half of our webinar, there's going to be lots of opportunities for you guys to practice. We're going to practice a 30-second pitch, which will give you the first sort of opportunities to try the strategies I'm going to share with you, as well as get some peer feedback and coaching. So in a zero risk environment, we're creating the opportunities for you to really perform with flexibility, put your knowledge into practice, share with each other, and then when it matters in your assessment, you'll be better, you'll be more prepared, and you'll be ready to do the best you can. So I ask you to do 3 things in the preparation for this workshop. On Monday, please be early and be ready to start at 10 o'clock. Get online around 9:50, get the link, we'll be waiting to let you in, and then we'll start early, start fresh, and get through the content. And bring some energy and passion. I know it's Monday morning, but it's always going to be Monday morning. You have to embrace these opportunities and really get involved, because the more you participate, the more you will learn and benefit. And I want you to share, I want you to support, I want you to encourage each other. Because the more we encourage each other, the more we learn from each other and the better we all do. So be ready to support your colleagues and your classmates. So I've got a lot of experience of working with startups, with China Accelerator, Angel Hack, Startup Grind, and Plug and Play and TechSpark, as well as luxury brands like Dior, working with their CEOs, as well as CEOs at tech companies and high-level managers at companies like Volkswagen, Mercedes, and Audi. And I want to share with you what I've learned from all of my experiences across 16 years in China and 4 years in London. So let's get ready to have a fantastic workshop, because the more you embrace this opportunity, the better you will be, and the better you will be able to perform and really take your ideas to the next level. So I'm really looking forward to our workshop on Monday. Have a great rest of your week, have a fantastic weekend, but be ready on Monday to come with all of your energy and your passion. So thank you so much for your attention. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all on Monday. And if you'd like to find out more about me, please check out my website, 8secondstoconnect.com. The short version is 8s2c.com, and on there you can start to get a feeling for how I talk about presentations. So I really look forward to seeing you on Monday, and thank you very much for your time.